Hello, welcome to the course on microwave and antennas. In this lecture, we will visualize a reflex klystron oscillator. How does a klystron look? It is important that we first visualize how a klystron looks. This will help us then understand the mechanism better. Imagine a 3D donut-shaped metal structure and a tube inserted in the donut hole. Cut this donut into half and imagine the tube is transparent so that you can see whatever is flowing through it. What you see here are the cavities from the cut donut. And the tube at the center. This is the final stage, how a klystron looks mechanically, and this is a 2D structure.